Hello students, so now we will do question number 4. In question number 4 student, we have given this angle RPQ 95 degree, this one is 40 degree, okay, PRT, and QST we have given 75 degree, and what we have to find here, we have to find the value of angle SQT, means we have to find the value of this angle. Okay student, so student, clearly if you see in triangle PRT, can we find angle T, this one PTR, angle PTR, can we find this? How? By angle sum property in triangle PRT. In this triangle, if you apply angle sum property, that means 40 plus 95 plus angle T equal to 180 degree. Okay, so from here we can find angle T, which is equal to 90 plus 40, 95 plus 45, 135, 135 minus, that means 45. So this value is 45. Okay student, this one is 45. Now see this angle and see this angle, and these angles are equal. If this one is 45, this one is also 45. How student? By vertically opposite angle. So now the value of this angle is also 45 degree. Now see in triangle STQ, we have this one is 45, this one is 75. Can we find this one SQT? Yes, again in triangle STQ we apply angle sum property and we will find the third angle, angle Q here. So that means angle Q equal to 180 minus 45 plus 75. Okay, 180 minus 45 plus 75. Okay, so B, and the answer is 60 degree. Okay student, sorry, 60 degree. Now come to question number 5. Here question number 5, PT perpendicular to PS, this PT in the figure, if PT perpendicular to PS, sorry not PT, क्या होगा ये PQ होगा, यहाँ पे I think wrongly लिखा हुआ है, the right one is PQ perpendicular to PS. Okay, that means this one is 90 degree. Clear? And angle SQR, ये एंगल आपको गिवन है 28 डिग्री, ये एंगल 28 गिवन है, और ये आपको 65 दे रखा है. बट वी हैव टू फाइंड x एंड y. सी स्टूडेंट, इफ यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ वन ऑफ द एंगल x और y, इन दोनों में से किसी एक की वैल्यू वी विल फाइंड, देन वी विल फाइंड द अदर वैल्यू सिंस इट इज़ अ 90 डिग्री. तो इफ़ यू सी हियर स्टूडेंट, वी हैव आल्सो गिवन PQ पैरेलल टू SR. So if you see here, if PQ parallel to SR and this one is the transversal, so that means this value equal to this, and this one we have given 65, or this is this angle means angle Q. What is the value of angle Q here? X plus 28. Okay, so that means X plus 28 and 65 both, and angle this are alternate angle, and if it is an alternate angle, that means both are equal, since PQ and SR is parallel and this one is the transversal. So that means X plus 28 equal to 65 degree. So what we get from here, the value of angle X, value of X, not angle X. The value of X is 65 minus 28, which is equal to 37. Okay, so now we get the value of this X is 37. We know the value of this is 90 degree, and we have to find the value of Y. So in this triangle, angle sum, Now we apply this. This is the triangle, this one. Okay, this value is 37, this one is 90 degree, and this one we have to find. So in this triangle means PQS, and by angle sum property, so angle P plus Y plus 37 is equal to 180 degree, or angle P, the value of angle P is 90. So that means 90 plus Y plus 37 equal to 180 degree. So that means Y equal to 180 minus 90 plus 37, 127. Okay, 3, 5. Okay, 53 degree. The required answer is 53 degree. Okay, this one. Okay, now come to, okay, so question number 6 is, in the figure the side QR of triangle PQR produced to S, कहाँ तक किया गया है, produced to a point S if the bisector of triangle PQR and PRS meet at the point T. Bisector of angle PQR, this one is the bisector, this one, and the bisector of this angle R, this one, meet at point T, then we have to prove QTR equal to 1/2 QPR. इसका अगर फिगर समझ लें स्टूडेंट ढंग से, तो हमें ये गिवन है लाइक दैट. ओके, ये PQR we have given, and the bisector of this angle, or sorry, first we have produced this QR up to S, and then bisector of this one, and the bisector of this meet at point T. Then we have to prove that D is equal to, sorry, but we have to prove QTR equal to 1/2 QPR. Okay student, now see here, if you see here, exterior angle PRS, if you admit like that, PQRS, this one is the exterior angle. The exterior angle PRS equal to क्या हो जाएगा, by exterior angle property, angle PQR plus QPR, this angle plus this angle, ये यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ by exterior angle property. If you see here, angle PQR plus QPR by angle sum property. Okay student, clear? Now we have divided this whole equation by 1/2, or we can say we can multiply here left hand side and right hand side, both side 1/2. So what we get, 1/2 PRS, 1/2 PQR plus 1/2 QPR. Okay, here. Okay, and what we can write, 1/2 PRS. 1/2 PRS means, what is the PRS here? 1/2 PRS means TRS. See, if we make here, this one is, okay, so PRS, and this one is T. So this one is the bisector. So if this one is whole PRS, so 1/2 PRS means half of the PRS, or half of the PRS we can write TRS, this TRS. So we can write 1/2 PRS as a TRS. Similarly, 1/2 PQR, this one PQR, this 1/2, this is whole PQR, or 1/2 PQR means half of this angle PQR, that means this one or this one. So we can write 1/2 PQR means angle TQR, this TQR. So we can write it TQR. Okay, this is our equation number 1. Okay, student, clear? Now, but in triangle QTR, see student, QTR, I am making again figure QTR like that. This is the line QRS. Okay, this, okay, making this darker. Okay, this QTR, and this one is Q. This is the figure. Okay, so if you see this QTR, okay, in this QTR, exterior angle TRS, this one, okay, and this exterior angle TRS, okay, in which triangle? This dark one, this one, in this triangle, this exterior angle TRS equal to sum of opposite interior angle, that means this T and this one Q. So we are talking about this triangle. Okay, clear? So here we have write angle TRS equal to angle QTR, this and this. Okay, clear? We have right here, see here, this TRS equal to TQR plus QTR, exterior angle property in triangle QTR. Okay, so now see from first and second in this equation and from this equation. Okay, so what is the value of TRS equal to TQR plus QTR? So put this value TRS equal to here, so we can write it angle TQR plus 1 by 2 angle QPR equal to TRS की value this one, the value of TRS is this one, TQR plus 1 by 2 QPR, and we put this value here. So what we get? Angle TQR plus angle QTR. Okay, so this TQRS and this TQR cancel. So what is remaining here? QTR equal to 1 by 2 QPR, which is our required solution. Okay, this one we have to find here. Okay, student, clear? Okay, thank you very much.